you're driving home, but suddenly a huge tornado blocks your way. Don't try to overtake it to run away. The best solution is to turn around and go the other way. But sometimes it's impossible to do so. Welcome to the virtual survival course. Oh no! You should leave the car running so the airbags still work. And keep your seatbelt on. Don't forget to close all the windows. We don't want the wind to get in. Great! Now get down below the windows and cover your head with your hands, blanket, coat, or pillow if available. The chances of surviving inside the car are low, but you don't have a better choice. It's too late and nowhere to run, so get ready. Use your feet and muscles to fix your body in one position inside the car. That awkward moment when you can't get away with crashing a police car. Extra protection, just in time. The weather is getting better. It might seem tempting to seek shelter under an overpass or a bridge, but it's even more dangerous. Tornado winds pick up under these structures, so you would face more debris. Also, you could be blown out and carried by the winds. Surviving that kind of adventure is great luck, so avoid repeating this in real life.
Attention! A tornado can emerge even when there's no storm or rain. Most of the time they appear in summer when the ground is heated, but there are many exceptions. Tornado formation is sudden and quick. It might take only a few minutes before it starts to wreak chaos upon everything in its path. Welcome to the virtual reality class for extreme survival. If a tornado found you at home and you have no time to escape, make sure to lock all windows, doors, and attic spaces. Stick tape crosswise over each window glass to prevent the debris from scattering. Make sure to turn off the gas and electricity and put out the fire in your stove. Prepare flashlights and candles, as well as water and food supplies for at least 3 days. Don't forget to take a working radio. Also, make sure to grab the first aid kit. If you live in a tornado-prone area, it's better to keep a strategic supply of those items in your shelter at all times. The region inside of a tornado is characterized by low temperatures and oxygen levels, making it difficult to breathe. There aren't any detailed visual observations of this inner region because these storms are too intense to shoot inside. Tornado formation is quite simple. Hot air streams from the ground collide with a descending stream of cold air brought by thunderclouds. Warm air can't go higher up, and cold air can't flow down. The force of their collision gradually produces a vertical column of spinning air that starts to suck debris from the ground like a giant drain. A tornado can be up to 2 miles in diameter, and the speed of the funnel itself is somewhere between 25 to 40 miles per hour. A tornado can last from a few minutes to an hour or more, but usually they exist for up to 10 minutes and then dissipate. Don't leave your shelter right after the wind weakens. The twister may reappear in a few minutes. Phew, the tornado is gone now. You can leave the shelter. And the lesson is over. Hey, congratulations!
Oh, gosh. Wow! Whoa! All right, buddy, no time to think. Whoa! Let's try to survive. Wow! I gotta move as fast as I can! It's already here! Ugh. Everything's falling apart! Ooh. Yeah, hope this way works! Let's go! Wow! Let's go this way! I didn't break a single bone. Okay now, what's next? Oh no, not ready to give up yet! No worries. There's a main road behind these houses. Let's try to get there. Get into the car! Hurry up, babe!
We need to get out of here. Now!
Let's go! Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, watch out!
Ah! Look out! We need to get to a safe space.
Don't panic. We'll get out of here. Look! This is it! Hold on!
Ah! Whoa! Here we go!
Made it! Phew! Wow!
I've never seen weather like this. I'm just glad we got the crew and passengers off the ship before anyone was hurt.
Captain, this is the Coast Guard helicopter.
I'm happy to hear from you guys.
How are you getting on down there?
Well, I've been in charge of better cruises, I'll say that.
Do you have any casualties?
Negative. We managed to evacuate the ship. It's just me on board.
Do you have any damage?
Affirmative. We took on water a few hours ago. I'm trying to get the ship back to port.
Captain, can you hear me? We can see smoke. Are you okay?
A little banged up, but I'll survive.
Things are about to get a whole lot worse.
What do you mean? Hello? You're breaking up.
Hurry! Evacuate! Tsunami!
A tsunami? Oh, I've got to get out of here.
We'll meet you on the helipad. Run!
I need to move it. I've got to go.
Come on, we don't have time.
Almost there.
Go, go, go!
That was a close one.
Hey, you're alive. That's the main thing.
I'm just glad there's no one on that ship.